Hello guys, and welcome once again to Savannah Essence. It's been 3 days of constant rain, and so as I speak to you, it's raining heavily non-stop, and so I'm not going to speak a lot in this video as it will affect the audio, and I've waited for 3 days just to be able to get a proper record of this. So we are making a cucumber coconut soup. This recipe is the same as the 100% coconut soup that I made recently. I will just link it up here for those of you who would be interested in watching that. The only difference is that this time around we are using cucumber water as part of the replacements for the water. In this case, I have this cucumber sitting there for some time and it's going bad, and I decided to use it also because cucumber gives this creaminess to your soup, gives this conditioning properties as well to your skin, and so I said why not just incorporate this into this amazing soup that has started becoming a bestseller already and that beginners like to also give it a try. So give this a try and let me know how you feel, and let me know if this is something that you also enjoy and you would like to incorporate into your 100% coconut oil soup. So we're just going to cut the cucumber, blend them, strain them, and then use that as part of the water replacement. So what is happening is that what I did in this case is to do a 2:1 water to lye ratio. So I have 2 parts water, 2 parts lye, 2 parts water, 1 part lye rather. So the water is 150 grams and the lye is around 74 point something grams, right? Or 73 point something grams. So I'm using equal amounts of lye, equal amounts of water in the first part, just normal water to dissolve the lye, and then I'll strain the cucumber water and then also measure it to like 75 grams and then add it to the dissolved lye, and then the water, the dissolved lye, the mixture that I did earlier on, that gives you the full water content, and then proceed to make the soup. This way you don't have your coconut scorched or burnt, and you don't necessarily have to freeze your coconuts. Cucumber. You don't have your cucumber scorched or turned brownish, and you don't also have to freeze it. Now I had to dissolve the lye for I think 3 days. I've been doing what is the name of it? I do the badges and then let them I prep and then let them sit for sometimes even a week before I make the soup. So this particular lye water has been sitting for like 3 days before I now started using it to make the soup. I'm also straining the cucumber because sometimes because of the greenish part of it, if you leave it in your soup, you make the soup and it looks white, and then a couple of days later there will be some brown specks on it. It usually gives a very nice sort of color contrast for those of you who would want to do that, but I don't want to do that, and so I just leave it like that and then use that to make the soup. So this is our cucumber water that we have now strained, and let me show you the lye water that I was talking to you about. The one is to 1 part water, 1 part lye solution that I was talking to you about. So this is it. So this is 1 part lye, 1 part water. This has been dissolved. This has been sitting here for 3 days now. So I'm now just going to add the remaining water that I'm supposed to have added to this recipe to make it complete. So it's 150 grams of water. I've used 75 to dissolve the lye. I'm now going to top up with the other 75 to make it 150 grams, and I'm doing that using the cucumber water. I hope that makes sense. So this brings an end to the rambling in this video. The rest, just enjoy. I hope you subscribe to this channel if this is something that you enjoy doing. You enjoy coming to our channel to watch some of our soap making videos, our skincare videos, even sometimes our business videos. It's been a while since I made one of those, but if you enjoy watching any of those, or if this is your first time coming across our channel, we'll appreciate it if you subscribe give us a like, comment in the comment section, and let us know if you enjoy this. It helps us, especially the small YouTubers or the small content creators, to know that the little we are doing is appreciated. So thank you, and do have a lovely day. Thanks.
Hey, shorty the school to my rocket, I'm not talking about Jack Black. Hey, what you do when you doing something you not supposed to do? Thinking it's gonna shield the one you love like they bulletproof. Just like Paul Pierce, it's all out when they know the truth. Hey, all cry in the air when you leave and you take your juice. Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the... What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the... What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the... What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the... What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the... What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the... What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the... What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the... What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm in the island on a Wednesday. Laid back, coolin', kicking feet up like a sensei. Juju hit my line like what you want, babe. Hit her with the script like working out with her, babe. No way, I'm at the gym, you at the gym. It's a small world, I might just have to link with you and him. Look up at this girl like, let me get my words right. Cause if she catch me with you, night. I got a plan, you take it like that. Don't hit that gas, make a U-turn 100 miles on the 90. Gotta pray to God that we just do not crash. Okay, acting no seat like a jack. Hey, lose my rocket, I'm not talking about Jack Black. Hey, what you do, you're not supposed to do. Thinking it's gonna shield the one you love like they bulletproof. Just like Paul Pierce, it's all out when they know the truth. Hey, all cry in the end when she leave and you take your juice. Cool. Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the... What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. The keys to the... What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam and a drop. Voices in my head and telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Namaste. Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm in the island on a Wednesday. Laid back, coolin', kicking feet up like a sensei. Juju hit my line like what you want, babe. Hit her with the script like working out with Hervey. No way, I'm at look up at this girl like, let me get my words right. Cause if she catch me with you, then we going down like Suge Knight. I got a plan, you take your bag like that, then we gon' hit that gas. Make a U-turn 100 miles on the 90, gotta pray to God that we just do not crash. Okay, acting no C like I just tried. Hey, shorty the school to my rock and I'm not talking about Jack Black. Hey, what you do when you doing something you not supposed to do? Thinking it's gon' shield the one you love like they bulletproof. Just like Paul Pierce, all out when they know the truth. I'll cry in the end when she leave and she take your juice. Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Namaste.
Really good. Circle is not bad.
Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm in the island on a Wednesday. Laid back, coolin', kicking feet up like a sensei. Juju hit my line like what you want, babe. Hit her with the script like working out with Hervey. No way, I'm at the gym, you at the gym. It's a small world, I might just have to link with you and him. Look up at this girl like, let me get my words right. Cause if she catch me with you, then we going down like Suge Knight. I got a plan, you take your bag like that, then we gon' hit that gas. Make a U-turn 100 miles on the 90, gotta pray to God that we just do not crash. Okay, acting no C like I just tried. Ayy, shorty the school to my rock and I'm not talking about Jack Black. Ayy, what you do when you doing something you not supposed to do? Thinking it's gon' shield the one you love like they bulletproof. Just like Paul Pierce, all lie when they know the truth. Ayy, I'll cry in the end when she leave and she take your juice. Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op?